Meet the buzzard, one of nature's most skilled hunters. Did you know these incredible birds can spot their prey from over a mile away? That's right. Their keen eyesight is unmatched in the animal kingdom. Buzzards are known for their unique broad wings and powerful build, making them expert gliders. They can soar effortlessly on thermal currents, conserving energy while searching for food. When hunting, buzzards use a technique called stooping, where they dive at high speeds to catch their prey. Talk about a thrilling chase. Buzzards are not just expert hunters, they are also fantastic communicators. Listen closely, and you might hear their unique high-pitched calls, which they use to establish territory and attract mates. During mating season, male buzzards put on a spectacular show, soaring high and diving dramatically to impress females. It's a breathtaking sight that showcases their agility and strength. And here's a fun fact. Buzzards are opportunistic eaters. While they love hunting small mammals, they won't hesitate to feast on carrion or even fruits when food is scarce. Want to learn more about these amazing birds? Hit that like button and subscribe for more wildlife wonders. What's your favorite bird? Share in the comments below.